How to fix Roblox Error Code 262? For this first step, restart Roblox. Close Roblox completely. Open up Task Manager. End all process of Roblox. Search it and end the task. And come to next step. Allow Roblox through Windows Firewall. For this, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Scroll down and search for Roblox. Make sure you should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application is of not having means you need to add the application. For adding the application, click Allow another app. Click Browse. For easy method, come outside. Right click Open File Location of the Roblox. Copy the address. Come back. Click Browse and paste the address here. You can easily get the application. Click it and add it. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click Add in the bottom side. After check if it is available or not, both private and public. Click OK and come to next step. Clear Roblox cache. For this, search for run and type the following text: percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Roblox folder. Click it. Click local storage folder. Delete the files inside the local storage. Come back. Click log folder. Delete the files inside the log folder. After deleting, close it and come to next step. Search for command prompt. Right click. Click run as administrative. And type the following text: ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click enter. And the next command ipconfig space /release. Click enter. And the next command ipconfig space /renew. Click enter. At last, exit it. After completing, you can check it. If the problem still remains, then search for run and type the following text: ncpa.cpl. Click OK. A network page will open. In this, you need to right click and disable it and wait for 5 to 10 seconds. After again enable it. After enabling, you need to close it and restart your device. Thank you.